let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz Gold level choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3. And now let's look at same Waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start preparation. After preparation step, we dance first 3 steps of natural turn, followed by open impetus, note as man's heel turn here. From promenade we dance wing, man dances 1 step, lady 3 steps, then progressive chasse to right, and outside change to promenade position, then cross hesitation, again man dances 1 step, lady 3 steps, outside spin, overturned version, and turning lock to right, which we finish in closed position. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. So we take close hold and start preparation. We move preparation step diagonally to ball. In same direction we dance natural turn, open impetus around the corner, and we finish diagonally to center. Same direction we dance wing and progressive chasse to right. Then outside change we finish down line of dance in promenade position, cross hesitation. Then against line of dance we start outside spin and continue with turning lock to right, which we finish diagonally into corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.